shades with no fashions. We are in a customer's home downtown Charleston. You can kind of see the water in the background. I don't have any shades up right here right now, but in a little while we will do a walkthrough downstairs. We are setting up some hardwired shades with Powerview through Hunter Douglas. So we're going to kind of take you through that little bit of a walkthrough on how to install that and hook up the wires so that we can get the shades running. So walk with me towards that. You see we have Joseph here. He is lining up the holes here that we have pre-drilled so that we make sure that everything is level and perfect. You will see here on the top half different type of wiring systems, and we'll get to the inside after we do the installation here in just a second. So go ahead, Joseph. So we're just securing it to the board here that we've had put up so that it has a base, because otherwise it is just drywall. So can install into that.
Just makes it easier to have something solid.
And you can see the wires here. These are all the wires that go through the house. So some of those are obviously going to be for the shades, and that is what we are going to hook up into this box. This box holds up to 16 shades, and again, it is for Hunter Douglas. It's for the Powerview motorization. Now that we have the proper tools, we are going to take the butt screws out just a little bit so that you can see the inside. So there's a couple different options that you can use to connect the wires to the box. This one up here that you'll see is just like what comes out of your shade. You have a male end and a female end. Here is the male end, so you'll get a connector package. Those will be connected to those wires, which would then go into here. It's good to have the label so that you can know which shade goes to what. Or if you don't want to do that option, you also have the hardwired option where Joseph will explain that you can connect them here.
So you can take these two wires, these are not needed for Hunter. You
So
can
what are
knock
those
out
two wires?
positive and negative. It's
So
your
the
power.
red is
Positive.
positive,
Black
black
is
is negative.
negative.
Okay.
You can have 3 different options of where you can run these wires in, which would basically replace each one of these here.
So do you pull those out?
Yes.
Okay.
There's a little pin, you push these, they open up just like RAM on a computer, and then you can slide those right in.
Okay. Cool.
There we have it.
And then so would these be needed after? It's just one or the other, right?
Yep, just
Okay.
one or the other. And then these are your main fuses, so if your shade stopped working, I'd always check these 2 fuses.
Awesome. So with Hunter Douglas, you'll want to make sure that you get this power supply box so that your shades, if there are issues down the road, they are covered under warranty with this box because it is part of their product. So you don't want to have just a random box, though you could have a box installed from your electrician. It works just the same. You just need to be able to knock down that voltage for those shades. The final product. We did have an electrician do this, so this is the end result of what we've got here. We put in the cables, or the negative and positive, and put those into what we call the adapters, which basically helps to drop down the voltage, and we just plugged them in here. So we got the upstairs and the downstairs, that way we can see them and we know which shades and which numbers. So that's the result. All it is a plug-in, just like normal.